Eat. Present. I eat pizza every Friday. Present continuous. I am eating right now. Past. I ate too much yesterday. Past continuous. I was eating when you arrived. Present perfect. I have eaten sushi before. Future with will. I will eat later. Future with going to. I am going to eat with friends. Common mistake. I am eat pizza now. Correct. I am eating pizza now. Go. Present. She goes to school. Present continuous. She's going to school now. Past. She went to the mall. Past continuous. She was going home when it rained. Present perfect. She has gone already. Future with will. She will go tomorrow. Future with going to. She is going to go next week. Common mistake. She go to school. Correct. She goes to school. Make. Present. They make cookies. Present continuous. They are making dinner. Past. They made a cake. Past continuous. They were making lunch. Present perfect. They have made many recipes. Future with will. They will make a mess. Future with going to. They are going to make dinner again. Common mistake. They made dinner now. Correct. They are making dinner now. Take. Present. I take the bus. Present continuous. I am taking notes. Past. I took a photo. Past continuous. I was taking a shower. Present perfect. I have taken your advice. Future with will. I will take the test. Future with going to. I am going to take a nap. Common mistake. I taken the bus. Correct. I took the bus. See. Present. We see the stars. Present continuous. We're seeing a doctor. Past. We saw a movie. Past continuous. We were seeing the sunset. Present perfect. We have seen it before. Future with will. We will see what happens. Future with going to. We are going to see Grandma. Common mistake. We see a movie yesterday. Correct. We saw a movie yesterday. Have. Present. I have a dog. Present continuous. I am having lunch. Past. I had a meeting. Past continuous. I was having fun. Present perfect. I have had a good day. Future with will. I will have time. Future with going to. I am going to have a snack. Common mistake. I have lunch yesterday. Correct. I had lunch yesterday. Get. Present. He gets home at 6. Present continuous. He is getting tired. Past. He got a gift. Past continuous. He was getting ready. Present perfect. He has gotten better. Future with will. He will get promoted. Future with going to. He is going to get married. Common mistake. He get a gift yesterday. Correct. He got a gift yesterday. Do. Present. You do your homework. Present continuous. You are doing great. Past. You did your best. Past continuous. You were doing exercises. Present perfect. You have done enough. Future with will. You will do fine. Future with going to. You are going to do well. Common mistake. You did your homework now. Correct. You are doing your homework now. Speak. Present simple. I speak English every day. Present continuous. I am speaking with my teacher now. Simple past. I spoke to her yesterday. Past continuous. I was speaking when he interrupted me. Present perfect. I have spoken at many events. Future with will. I will speak at the meeting. Future with going to. I am going to speak tomorrow. Common mistake. I am speak now. Correct. Oh, I am speaking now. Work. Present simple. She works in a hospital. Present continuous. She is working right now. Simple past. She worked late last night. Past continuous. She was working when I called. Present perfect. She has worked there for years. Future with will. She will work this weekend. Future with going to. She's going to work on the project. Common mistake. She work on weekends. Correct. She works on weekends. Time for a quick challenge. Look at the sentence. I blanked to the gym yesterday. Which verb and tense is correct? Option A, go. Option B, went. Option C, going. Comment your answer below. I'll be reading your comments. Can you get it right without looking back? Great job today. You just learned essential verbs in 7 tenses. That's huge. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Tap subscribe to learn more English with fun, clear lessons every week. And tell me in the comments, which verb is hardest for you? Let's grow your English one word at a time.